go then, Fig. Oh, look at them waves, they're huge out there. Mad English people. We're all bloody mad. Right, on the way down to where we're going, we were thinking we'll go down to Bude, so we're going to stop off at Bude, see what that's like. We've never been there before, have we? So, little Fig's in the back, ready. He's going to sleep. So we'll see you there.
What are you looking at?
Be ready to do it up here though. Welcome to windy Bude. Going this way. What do you reckon, Fig? Come on, Fig. Doing, Fig? Sand keeps flying across and getting in your face. It's absolutely crazy. It takes your breath away. It's quite hard work. Anyway, we'll get up there. It's like being shot blasted. Still getting in my teeth. Whoa. We must be all mad. Of summer, it's the middle of September, we're all bloody mad here in England. Look at them waves, man.
It's windy.
It's very, very windy. We're getting sandblasted from the sand.
Got a new face peel from the sand.
Marie's got a new face peel from the sand.
Because it's so windy, it's hitting us in the face. Oh.
But look at them waves, they're huge out there. We've got the Coast Guard over here who's waiting. But I don't think there's enough nutters out there that's going to go out in this weather, but you never know. We've all come down to this beach. There's quite a few people here. Mad English people. We're all bloody mad. Right, let's go and find some calmness. held off. What are you doing?
You're pushing me up there.
Oh, sorry. At least the rain's held off, eh? That's one good thing. We are now travelling down to St Ives, where we're staying in something called the Potting Shed. Basically, it's a glamorous shed, and we're going to a place called Shepherd's Hut Retreat. We're going to be walking the streets, the cobbly streets of St Ives, going in, visiting some shops. Hopefully, weather permitting, me and Fig will go in the kayak, and maybe Marie. Maybe. We will see. But it just depends on the weather because it's so windy at the moment.
I don't want to end up in France or
yeah.
New York.
New York. Help! Make sure we've packed loads of food.
Oh, I'd like to go to New York, but not in a kayak.
Anyway, that's where I'll end the episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely hit us up in the comments. Yeah, actually, the sun's coming out now. We're leaving. So alive and revived now. This is absolutely amazing. What do you think then, Fig? Wow. Come on, Fig, let's go.